Oh yeah. Blow the trailer. Looks good on the trailer. Let's go riding. Hey. Look at all the dirt that's in here. See if I can do this one-handed without dropping my camera. Drum looks okay, not damaged. Yeehaw! Oh yeah, you recognize that beauty? And there's some over here. Yeah. Then we got, yeah. One more. Booga booga. And then we got this beauty. Yeah. And off the highway up we go. Yeehaw!
Come on, you can take it, guys.
Yeah, this is the main line, so you absolutely want to make sure you stop here.
How fast are trains?
Can be very, 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 very fast. All right. Well, this is about as far as we made her. This trail is nasty. Oh, big ass rocks and boulders. Ah, she's bad. This thing ain't ever gonna make it up that. Look at that nastiness. Ooh, it was like that all the way up here. We almost made her to the top. I'm impressed by how far it made it.
Almost.
Yeehaw! Now back we go.
You get stuck at it.
Here come the boys. There's one. There's two. Three. Comes another one. And another one.
How was it?
Woo!
Baby, let's go!
Yee! And we got one more coming. Where's all grandma and grandpa anyway?
Oh, they're coming. We're right there.
Hey, and there's that old Bruno. Alright. Ooh, too many boulders on that trail. Ow. Oh my god. Big boulders. Trail is nasty. This will be fun. Oh, geez. aiming my camera right. Jeez, I need a GoPro. Oh shit! Coming up to the clearing. Thank God. Figuring out how to make things work. Well, there she is, all loaded up, strapped down, ready to go. I need a GoPro though. Can't film that properly. We got some casualties. We had a crasher, got a flat tire, some broken plastic. It happens. So I'm gonna go home and edit this one and maybe get it out tonight. See ya.